Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you a college student and looking for the ways to make money online? Well, you are in luck because in this video I am going to show you 10 proven ways for college students to earn money online. So grab a notebook and a pen because you are about to learn some money making tips that will change your life. So the number one tip is you can earn money by writing a blog or starting a website, and you can monetize it through affiliate marketing. So in this video, I'm going to show you the website through which you can earn money by writing a blog. So the number one is Medium. So basic Medium. Second is Substack. Third one is Blogger. Fourth one is WordPress, and fifth one is Patreon. So basically, Medium is a platform that allows you to share your stories and ideas with a large audience. Here you can write on any topic, and if your content is popular, you can earn money through Medium's partner program. So now the second one is you can earn money by selling your own products or services through an online store or marketplace like Etsy or Amazon. So now let's talk about the website that allow you to sell your products online and earn money. So some of the websites include such as Amazon, Etsy, eBay, Shopify, eBay own. So basically Amazon, it is one of the largest e-commerce platforms in the world. Etsy basically it is the marketplace. It is for handmade designs, vintage and unique goods. eBay uh, eBay is a online platform where you can sell your new and used items. Shopify basically it is an e-commerce platform that allows you to create your own online store. Third one is you can earn money by taking online surveys. Such as there are several websites that allow you to earn money by taking online surveys. So basically the website includes such as Survey Junkie. Basically Survey Junkie is a website that pay users to take surveys. You can earn money here by completing surveys on variety of topics. Second one is Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a website that rewards users for completing surveys by watching videos and completing other online tasks. Here you can redeem your earnings for gift cards or cash. And number third one that is popular is Tolina. Basically, Tolina is a website that pays users to take surveys and participate in other online activities. Here you can redeem your earnings for cash or gift cards. So guys, now let's move on fourth one. You can earn money by selling your online course, such as you can sell it on Udemy, Coursera. So basically, Udemy is an online learning platform where you can create and sell courses on wide variety of topics. You can set your own price for your courses and earn money through sales. So there are various alternative platforms such as Skillshare, Coursera, Teachable, ThinkFic, etc. So guys, you can check it out and you can also earn money by creating and selling your own courses. The fifth trick through which you guys can earn money is by becoming a translator. So there are several websites that allow you to earn money by becoming a translator, such as Jinjo, ProZ, Upwork, Translate.com, Freelancer. Now let's talk about Jinjo. Basically, it is a website that connects various freelance translators with clients who need their services. Here you can earn money by translating documents, website, and other material for their clients. Similarly, it is same for ProZ, Upwork, Translate, and Freelancer, etc. Now the sixth side through which you guys can earn money is by becoming a web developer or designer for any team or for your own individual. Basically here you can earn money by selling your services on the sites such as Freelancer, Upwork, top people per hour. So for learning the web development, you can take various Udemy courses, Coursera courses, or you can check out free YouTube channels such as some of them are such as Code with Harry, Apna College. These are some of the good channels you can check it out, and guys. And here there are various video tutorials which you can check out, and you can learn and you can earn money. So guys. Now the seventh way through which you guys can earn money is by becoming a virtual assistant for various businesses or entrepreneurs. Here you can reach out various businesses such as by writing a cold email, etc. The eighth way through which you guys can make money is by becoming a YouTuber and monetizing your videos through ads and sponsorships. And ninth way through which you guys can make money is by starting your own social media marketing agencies and help businesses with their online presence. Now let's talk about the 10th way. The number 10, that is you can earn money by becoming a proofreader or editor for any online content, such as you can provide your service or internshala where you can start helping students such as on the platforms such as Cake, Battle etc., where you can earn up to 50 to 60,000 per month, guys. And you can also become a virtual event planner or organizer for your businesses, etc. So there you have it, folks. With this 10 proven ways, with this 10 plus proven ways for college students to earn money online, you'll be well on your way to financial independence. Remember to stay focused, stay motivated, and most importantly, have fun. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. So if you like this video, do subscribe my channel.